So first of all, let me assert my firm belief that the only thing we have to fear is fear itself.
What's up, guys? I am out. What am I doing out? Here in Angeles, they had, you can get takeout. You can get delivery, you can get takeout. That's what's nice about living here right now. A lot of the restaurants, a lot of the restaurants are offering takeout, and they're also delivering. I'm going for takeout. I figure, you know what, let me throw the camera on the helmet, show you what's going on. It's about 11 o'clock right now. I've noticed that a lot of people are out early in the morning, 6 o'clock till about 12 o'clock. And then everything kind of goes quiet. And then usually 4 o'clock to about 6 o'clock, things get a little bit busy. I mean, people are just out buying food and stuff. I noticed they're stopping at the store. Now, I'm sure people are out doing whatever. There's no, like I said, there's no police running around here just checking everybody and checking everybody. Where you going? Where you going? I know 2 days ago they started a checkpoint in our little subdivision area where they're stopping people and checking them if they have a pass, quarantine pass to come into our area. If not, they're turning them away. So I have noticed that. But yeah, I mean, people got to eat. People got to get out. They got to eat. And you know what? I want to give a big shout out to those people, the frontline people, I call them. You know, the nurses, the doctors, those that are volunteering their time. They are passing out little meals. I was told they are passing out little meals. So you got the volunteers that are doing that. Of course, your military, your PNP, the people that are keeping things safe here, keeping people in check, keeping people in line. I always, every day, I always give the guys that are standing out there, entering that, the security people that are standing at our gates coming into our subdivision area there, I always give them like fruits, bananas, to thank them. That's my way of thanking them for keeping us safe, for keeping everybody safe. Why not? I was saying in the live chat, if you could do something like that, help people out like that, then do it. Do it. Or don't be stingy with your money. Help people out. But yeah, I just want to give a big shout out to people. The walking street, you still can't drive down it. You can still walk down it with a face mask. You can't ride down it. I mean, people are out and about. I think the mayor here is doing a good job. We're locked in here. Unless you have the super pass, I call it, to get out of Angeles City into another area, people they're staying here. And there are 0 cases here in Angeles City as far as I know. So, yeah, places like Envy, Phillies, they're all doing delivery. You get a few people, and you know what? If you're living in Angeles City here, man, I would highly think about walking down this area right here if you're a foreigner. I mean, they're going to. Foreigners are going to. But I had a subscriber that has stopped by the store a few times that we know, and right up here, I'll show you up here. Yeah, I mean, if you have to walk through here, don't carry money, don't carry your wallet, just enough to maybe if you're going to the store. Then when you're in the store, you got to watch. When you're standing in line, you got to watch somebody doesn't pickpocket you. But anyways, a subscriber came out of that mini stop right there on the left, right where that little red Fiat is. Came out of there the other day. You see people standing around there. came out of there, and he said he said they were underage, they like teenagers. A bunch of girls approached him and mugged him. That's the way to describe it. They mugged him. They basically pounced on him, grabbed his money out of his pockets, grabbed his wallet, grabbed whatever else they could, you know. And the thing is, like, this is the reason I tell people, don't walk around with your wallet. Maybe one ID, because now they took his ATM card, they took his what do you call a card? His iCard. They took that. Now he's got to, you know, now he's without all that, and now he's got to go through the hassle of getting his iCard again. I don't know if he's a permanent resident, if he's here on a visa or a visitor's visa. I don't know, but he's got to go through all that hassle. You've got to go to the bank, got to call the banks and say, hey, my money's been stolen, or not my money, but my cards have been stolen. But yeah, just, you got to be super careful right now of your surroundings. We have an older guy, I would probably say in his 70s, came up to the store today, and he had his wallet and stuff in his top pocket of his shirt. And I told him, I said, hey, just be careful. Be very, very careful, you know, because they will target him because he's old, you know. Be very, very careful. Now, is it mad crazy, you know, like you would see on TV? You know, no, but they will do it to you in broad daylight. But anyways, here we are. I'll show you where I'm going. I've had things here, but not this particular thing. And this is why I'm coming up here, to get this particular thing. I was told to come up here. I knew about it, but you know what? I'm on lockdown and hungry for something different. So that's why I'm coming up here. So what is it? Well, I'm going to a place called Blanchett's American Style Deli. Blanchett's American Style Deli. What am I getting? I am going to get a cheesesteak. I've been told about their cheesesteaks. So I'm going to go up here now and I'm going to order a cheesesteak and check it out, see how good it is. But anyways, Blanchett's Deli is right up here on the left-hand side. So if you're coming, you know, off of MacArthur, down by the Walking Street, down by Fields Avenue, it's right here. You can go right by, miss it. It's right beside the Horizon, right here on the left-hand side.
All right, guys, here's where Blanchett's is. Let me kind of give you a better description of where Blanchett's is. I'm wearing my mask, but you can't go into Blanchett's unless you have a mask, which is pretty much standard for all the restaurants here if you go in for takeout. But here's where we're at. Right there on the right-hand side, going that way is going into Koreatown. Right-hand side is the side gate. The side gate is closed. How do I know? Because I tried to go out the side gate the other day. That's closed. But here we are. Hey, best way to describe it, let me get across the street, is here's this Horizon. I think that's a condos. That's Horizon. Right straight ahead is Blanchett's American Style Deli and Bakery. That's the best way to describe where it's located. Hey, get across the street here. But you can blow right by it because it's kind of tucked. It's kind of tucked in right beside the Horizon. But an old Mad Max. But here it is. They are open 6 days, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Closed on a Tuesday. I've had breakfast here. Very good. You can see there's nobody in here. There was another gentleman in here, but here it is. This is Blanchett's. It's not a very huge inside, but I'm telling you what, I have had meatball subs here, roast beef subs here, and they are delicious. They usually have meats, but of course with the chimp problem that's going on, their selection is very low right now. But they usually have lots of meats and cheeses here for sale. pastries. They have pastries here, but very good. Back in that area is their kitchen area. They have their own ovens back in there. They bake their own bread. They make all kinds of cakes. I think she even makes like special occasion cakes, like a birthday cake. I think that might be a birthday cake in there. But here it is, Blanchett's American Style Deli and Bakery. They have coffee for sale, breaded and buttered pickles. They did have other goodies in here, but I think they're pretty much have low stock now. But anyways, like I said, I ordered the cheesesteak. I was told to come up here, check it out. I knew they had it, but I'd never tasted one. And what better time than try one out while I'm on a lockdown, right? All right, man. So I'm home. I'm getting ready to try out this cheesesteak. Boy, it looks good. It looks delicious. Check it out. There it is. Like I said, these are homemade rolls, and what's nice is, look at that, they grill the roll, and look at the meat. There is a lot of meat in there. Now granted, not as much meat as you would see back home in Philadelphia, but I've gotten cheesesteaks here in different places, and you got to order extra because just not enough meat. But there's plenty of meat in that. One thing they do is they put provolone cheese on it. I got provolone cheese and onion. What it comes with standard is the provolone cheese, the onion, the meat, peppers, and mushroom. No peppers, no mushroom for me. But she said, I mean, they're very friendly people down there. The owner's very friendly. The staff is very friendly. She said, whatever you want on it, you can get it on there. But that is what it comes standard with. So anyways, you know what? I'm gonna give this thing a try. I'm gonna let you know how it is. All right, so here it is. Here's the test. Here's the test. Piece of meat there fell out. Very good. I'm going to say that is probably the best cheesesteak I've had here since I've been here in the Philippines. That is very, very good. The meat's tender. The roll, you gotta have a good roll too. Anybody could throw some meat together, throw some onions in it, throw some cheese on it. You gotta have a good roll. And this roll is very, very good. The onions, they're perfect. I'm gonna say, this is the best cheesesteak I've ever had here in the Philippines, in Angeles City, in the Philippines in general. Like I said, I've had some around. This is the best. And they're not paying me for this to endorse them. I'm just telling you, I know what a cheesesteak, a good Philadelphia cheesesteak tastes like. And this is it. Guess it took a lockdown for me to get up there and get one of these, but wow, it's good. Very good. So, with that being said, I'm not going to keep on eating the camera. I'm going to wrap this video up. Remember guys, stay safe out there. Take care of your family. Take care of your friends. Take care of the sick. Take care of the elderly. And you know what? We will all get through this. We will all get through this.